Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a guarded hero passive rule in Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And to do this, let's count this model right here as a hero, and this is just some infantry units like liberators, then there's enemy units next to them. So now to actually use this rule, he's a hero, so when he's standing in the combat range of other friendly infantry models like this, then the hero can subtract the enemy that is shooting at him, not fighting, shooting, need to subtract 1 from hit rolls for shooting attacks that target this hero. Then there's also additional thing. If this hero is infantry, and in case he is, you need to look up the keywords for that unit. He cannot be picked as a target of a shooting attack made from more than 12 inches. So that means he can only be shot from up to 12 inches. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.